Hello everyone, come and decorate 6 flower cupcakes with me with American buttercream. I have crumb coated the cupcakes with some green icing because I'm making flowers. I want it to look like almost like a plant pot or a garden. Um, this also allows the design to look much neater, and it is easier to pipe the flowers onto the cupcakes because the petals or the flowers tend to stick better than on a bare cake. I'm using 124K tip here for the petals, and I'm doing it two-toned with a pink and a peach, and then a 352 tip for the leaves and a number 2 here. And as you can see that I'm just using for some using Russian nozzles, which has the design already, or you could just use freeform and just design a flower. It's very simple. Just practice, 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 and use the buttercream that is nice and smooth, not too hard and not too soft, and play around with the colors. And before you know it, you'll be creating some stunning designs, and you can either share them with family or friends, or you can start selling and open your own business. So yeah, take a look at my designs. I hope you get inspired. Let me know if you would like other designs, or if you have any questions. You are more than welcome to add them on the comment section below. If you would like a tutorial on how to create the two-tone effect or the buttercream recipe, again, put it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to create a video. As you can see here, I'm doing a freeform rose with a 104 Wilton tip. It's just repeating the same pattern over and over again. Again, practice makes perfect, so just carry on practicing it. I'm adding some flowers here with the Russian tip, so easy to do. And then just adding some more designs and some leaves with the 352 all around the cupcake, filling it up and giving it that more natural look. Here I'm using a 2D tip and I'm making a hydrangea flower. Again, I've used two tones. I've put two colours into the piping bag, and just going all around the cupcake and squeezing out a little flower at a time. So easy to do. Just adding little features to it, and then the leaves, and there you go, this is done, and it can be improved in so many places, but I myself am practicing as well, and I'm teaching what I'm learning as I go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I did order these boxes off Amazon, so you can just put them into the boxes, seal them, sell them, or enjoy them yourself, totally your choice. But I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something from here or taken away some inspiration. Again, any comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I definitely will respond. Thank you.